In Omoro district, Uganda, tension is rising in Omoro as police deployed heavily at the district tele center this morning and blocked OBIBI and his team from accessing the premises. The incident occurred at exactly 10 a.m. on Friday, the 25th July 2025. According to eyewitnesses, OBIBI and his supporters were attempting to enter the telecenter to monitor the ongoing vote counting process when they were met with a strong security presence that denied them access without a clear explanation. The move has sparked public outrage, especially among opposition supporters who see it as a deliberate attempt to block transparency. Sources within OBB's campaign team allege that there is ongoing manipulation inside the telecenter to favor incumbent candidate Okao, if you can remember, the Gamenda Kitora Tora. Two sub-counties reportedly were massive voter fraud center and they're under scrutiny. Preliminary results from those areas had already raised eyebrows after showing unusually high vote counts for cow. Speaking to Acholi Pro Evo TV, one of BB's campaign agents stated, "We are being blocked out while our opponents, people, are allowed in and out freely. We suspect vote alteration is happening behind these closed doors." Electoral officials have not yet issued a statement regarding the security deployment or the exclusion of a BE's team. The situation remains tense, with civil society actors and concerned people online and also political observers urging the Electoral Commission of the NRM to ensure fairness, transparency, and equal access to the tallying process for all candidates. This developing story continues to attract regional and Acholi wide attention as concerns grow over the integrity of the electoral process in Omoro district.
Stopping us.